जों तांसे सतां सिनि मुभमेंट जों 12 hours strike सिमि दाखा बसकां सालो जों खाखायो सिनि तेबु जबा पतो अंनाय हिनो and we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings, NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tripura or Northeast state? For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again. Since the regional party support for the greater interest of the people. Boni bagai sung TSF khanani strike 12 hours ni bagai je Tripura motha bai ringjangman no samana support khai hanai sung tini saklayo. Boni bagai sung Tripura hasini LUKUROGNO bo KOIMUNG all movement no success khai ni bagai ni participate ni hamza man ni support na. Boni bagai sung omen appeal khainai as we are very peace loving people जों peacefully जों movement जों carry on खायनाय बनि बागै जों TSF जों खालानि जे 12 hour strike Tripura मथा बाय रिंजामानि न जों support खायो